gonna check you real quick before I give you the baby, okay?
Okay.
Because I gotta check your belly and your bleeding and all that.
Okay, and now, should we move this tray? We kind of tried to make it easier for everybody with the chairs. Because that chair, nobody can get past that chair to go to the bathroom.
That's fine, I just need to have her flat and the table should move with the bed.
This one? Can I move this one for you?
Yeah, I'll need it later. Not Mom's back.
She's on clears, but I'll check in the chart. You know where to check it in the chart? Yeah, I think she's on clears.
Are you sleepy?
Are you sleepy? Okay. You got her vitals? Okay, okay. That's the paper. Okay. Okay.
Thank you. Boy, you can talk it super loud.
You need me all the way down?
Yes, ma'am. Oh, you got to move your boo-boo.
I'll do the looks even better now.
Are you, so you're having some pain?
Not much. I mean, I've been sore down here, but it's bearable. It's not,
On a scale 0 to 10, what would you say?
I would say it's about a 2.